here is a tweet that I did, all right, and we're talking about China here. China, again, take a look at this, guys. So essentially, the second largest economy is in deep trouble. And I tweeted about this because it's important to understand what's going on. Retail sales missed, coming in at 2.5%. It was expected to be 4.5%. All right, industrial production missed, coming in at 3.7%. They expected it at 4.4%. Fixed asset investing missed big as well, 3.4%. It was expected to be at 3.8%. Now, the kicker is this, guys. So this isn't everything in China right now, but this is what started to freak the futures out, the S&P, NASDAQ futures in the overnight, and actually caused the dollar to start to gain some traction and some other things, right? We're even seeing the 10-year yield is continuing to push up. We'll look at that chart. But what you have to remember about China is that China in general fudges their numbers. Okay, so if they're reporting these numbers as misses, it's probably a lot worse than that. And that's something you have to be aware of. Now, again, how does this relate to the US or anywhere in the world? Well, essentially, the more China struggles, they are now the second largest economy in the world. This means that we probably are going to see some sort of effect on them. All right, now, here's another key. All right, China, there's been a lot of data on this. The youth unemployment rate in China is 20+%, even in the 21 to 22% range. They announced that they will stop reporting the youth unemployment rate. That means it's getting worse. All right, if it's going to improve, like think about this logically, right? If it's going to improve, you don't say, hey, we're going to stop talking about that. All right, that's an issue, guys. And 20% unemployment in youth, that's major. And that's a headache for China as well, as the regime is going to have to deal with those people and, again, figure out how to make them happy. So, again, a lot of things going on here. All right, couple other things to go over. I want to continue on here, guys, as we continue down. All right, if you just look again at the analysis, you have to understand that basically what we have is China struggling here, and that means that the rest of the world is going to struggle.